Hello and welcome to the Daily Message. Today I will continue my series of reflections on the Beatitudes and their relationship with the overall question that I've been asking throughout the week. What does God call us to do and to be in this year, 2020? So the Beatitude that I will reflect on today is, "Blessed are they who hunger and thirst for righteousness." Righteousness is an important term, especially for the Jewish people, especially in terms of the Hebrew scriptures, the Old Testament. Righteousness simply means being in right relationship with God, but it also refers to being in right relationship with God's people. And so for both Old and New Testaments, both for the teachings of the Hebrew scriptures and the Gospels, there is a direct relationship, a one-to-one correlation between love of God and love of neighbor. And so any deficiency in our love for the neighbor is indicative or tells us that there is a deficiency in our love for God. And so we reflect on that question. Who are those people in my life with whom I am not at peace? Who are those people for whom I might be judgmental, for whom I might have some kind of prejudice or dislike simply because of who they are? And we need to look at those people, those groups of people, whomever they might be, and see how our deficiency in our love for them is also a deficiency in our love for God. We should be people who crave righteousness. We should be people who seek always to be in right relationship with God and to be in right relationship with God's people. Because as the Bible tells us, when we are righteous, when we are in right relationship with God and his people, then there is shalom. Then there is true peace in our hearts and in our world. Thank you so much for watching today.